So the Lego Legend got a 5 below. We finished today, and he looks like this. Legend wanted the pink one. I swear, this takes a lot of steps. It's like probably 14 or something. Helped, obviously, but there's the Lego duck. Whoa, Legend looks so Christmassy. Legend looks so Christmassy. There's number 7.
Number 7 goes.
It's hard to open. Yeah, it's bluey. Yay.
Baby bluey.
Yep.
Number 7's here.
Yeah, number 7's right here.
Wheel. Place.
This is number 7. This is my outfit of the day. I have some slippers on because I'm just chilling in the house today. And then I have these pants on from Target. They're like really comfortable. And then this top I thrifted. So that is just my outfit of the day.
Yeah,
No,
good
he's got a
throw,
high
good
five.
throw.
Okay, this is what it looks like, and hopefully it turns out good.
Lego to Mickey.
Mickey Mouse Seek and Find.
Here.
You found it? Okay, next page. Did you find them all? Blaze, come here. Come here, Blaze. Come here, honey.
I know what it is.
Blazy baby. Oh, boy. You both want to sit on my lap, you little goofballs.
Where's a fire truck? There's a fire truck. My Bible storybook. My
Good job,
Bible
good job.
Storybook.
Yeah, there you go.
First
There you go.
Bible storybook.
My Bible storybook.
Very
My Bible
good. Storybook, yeah.
Okay, we put up our stockings today, and we have a couple of little Beanie Babies and some garland stuff. My stocking's over there. This is what the living room is looking like. Matt and I straightened everything up, and this is the little toy kitchen area that the boys play with. Okay, Legend's gonna go to sleep. Woohoo! He's got school tomorrow, so he's gotta go to sleep.
Wait, Legend. Say bye to Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Bye.
Good night, Legend. Okay, everyone, we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day number 8. Bye.